This is Dominica, a small Caribbean island known for its tropical rainforests, volcanic mountains, and picturesque waterfalls. It is so pristine and green that many call it the Nature Island. Dominica attracts those who enjoy spectacular hiking, adventure, snorkeling and diving, or simply want to harmonize with nature away from their busy lives. But the Dominica we knew changed in September 2017. Hurricane Maria scored a direct hit on us. Lives were lost, the greenery was gone. Raging waters and catastrophic landslides changed the landscape and destroyed the infrastructure. Once again, Dominica made world news. This time though, not as a stunningly beautiful ecotourism destination, but as a disaster zone. But hey, guess what? We are fixing our lives and the island is started to heal. Our nature guides can see it best.
When I saw the river after Maria, I said, oh God, we might never able to make a trip again on the river. But after we started cleaning it up, I saw a different kind of beauty. The nature started healing up itself. The leaves started to come back on the trees, the bird is coming, the wildlife are there. It looks different, but it's beautiful. I say, well, we are good to go.
Indeed, changes are all around us. If you want to witness them, hiking is the best way. The views are spectacular and you can breathe the nature in. Stop and take a deep breath. Do you feel it? A real thrill. Hiking trails are plentiful here, from easy ones to challenging ones. In some parts of the island, nature has actually been reshaped into something new and more exciting. Canyoning, a sport always popular among adventure seekers, now offers even more enthralling choices. So, be ready to get a little wet.
I'm a canyoning guide in Dominica who knows all the cool locations on this island. Although we got hit by a major hurricane, this island is still amazing, and right now we are rediscovering everything all over again.
Not all parts of Dominica's nature come back at the same speed or the same way. The central forests and other places high in the mountain were slow to wake up. The progress is now steady, but not as rampant as on the west coast, where trees race against a tangle of vines trying to claim the newly available space under the sun. It seems like a forced battle for domination. If trees are strong enough to spread new branches quickly and put some shade around them, they may win. But vines try to race against them, often strangling smaller trees and bushes, covering them completely and creating fascinating new shapes. The forest is changing and looks like a green fantasy world full of tall columns, windows, and alleys. It's a joy to walk through this magical land. So, if you are tired of this and want a little bit of that, or that, this is your chance. But even while exploring our beaches, you may find surprises, like this picturesque shipwreck washed ashore by the hurricane. We invite you to discover the redesigned Dominica. Hike to the boiling lake, dive or swim beneath a pristine waterfall. But Dominica offers more than breathtaking adventure. And after fascinating adventures, you can relax in fine places like this. The island offers plenty of opportunities for true enjoyment and adventure. Visitors are coming to hike new landscapes, others come to help restore our island-long Waitikubuli Trail. We welcome them all, promising a memorable experience. But all these nature changes are happening quickly. A new balance sets in our forests, parrots find new roosting grounds, rivers settle in green again valleys. To witness these unique changes, the time to come is now. It may well be a lifetime opportunity to see a nature island being reborn.
Yeah man, come with us and you will enjoy it. Be a part of it and it will become a part of you.